Welcome to another Dash GIS video, because Dash is flexible, fast, and focused to solve your problems. Today we're talking about the pressure line isolation extension, where you can select a pipe, it will find all the valves to turn off, and you can create all sorts of reports. So here we select a pipe, get all the information on that one pipe. We can hit the line isolation tool. It zooms out and shows you all the pipes that are going to be involved and the valves that need to be turned off. Having their names makes it very advantageous for creating work orders, histories, and other maintenance management issues. As we zoom in here, we can see that it even gets the small little valves and shows them exactly where they are to make it much more easy and efficient to turn off the water so you can repair a pipe. You can get all sorts of reports on there, a waterline report, a project report, or just a summary of how many feet of line are going to be turned off, how many valves, all of that for when the Board of Supervisors asks or a manager or whatever. And then, of course, we can do a buffer. The classic finding who is going to be affected and either creating a mailing for them, downloading the information into a database for an auto dialer, or having a punch card or punch list for door hangers for the crews to go out and hang on doorknobs. So Dash GIS, $4.95 a month, no matter what